good.
Hey, that's Daddy's. Let Daddy open his presents, okay? But you can watch. You
Oh,
can.
nice. Yeah, it's an X-Cat. Yeah.
Wait a minute, baby. Don't mess with that.
Wash up and get clean. See?
Wash up and get clean?
Yeah.
No.
Smells good.
They're not in the house. We're going to go outside and play with that. Here, give Daddy his
Thank
other
you.
two gifts. You're welcome.
You're pointing it at you.
Oh. That's not yours. That's Daddy's. Give that to Daddy.
That's a good present.
Oh, thank you.
That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a great present.
He's blocking the view, Bubba. I said.
Isaac,
no,
what are you
your
doing?
sister.
Oh, wow. That's really cool.
That's way too cool.
Necklace.
Micah, don't pull it.
That's.
Look
Can
on the back.
I open that?
Look on the back of it.
Yeah, it's monograms. Thank you.
Give Daddy this one. Ow, I stepped on my toe, brother.
I like it.
Yeah, looks cool. Give Daddy the box. Quit trying to open it.
Well, no, that's mine.
No, it's not. Trust me, it's not.
Isaac, what are you doing?
Oh, yeah, I needed these for sure.
I couldn't-
Thank you.
What size shoe are you?
Huh?
What size shoe are you?
I think we're on 10.
Ah, crap. Okay, we gotta take this back.
Why?
It's a 9.
I might be able to fit them.
I couldn't remember.
I might be able to fit them. Actually, they look like they're gonna work.
Oh, Micah, get off me. Okay, let's see.